Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is 10, 17, 26, 37, 50 and 67. The given options are 10, 17, 50 and 67. Friends, to solve this problem, first let me write the given question, that is 10, 17, 26, 37, 50 and 67. Friends, 10. This 10 is very near to square of 3. Is it not? So, that would be 3 square plus 1. So, what? 10. Now, 17 is nearer to square of 4. That is 4 squared plus 1. Isn't it? Now, 26 is again nearer to what? Square of 5. That is 5 squared plus 1. 25 plus 1 is what? 26. Now, this can be written as square of 6 plus 1. That is 6 square is 36. 36 plus 1, 37. 50 can be written as square of 7. That is 49 plus 1 is what? 50. Now, this would be what? Square of 8. That is square of 8 plus 1. So, square of 8 is 64 plus 1, 65. I should get here as 65, but the given number is what? 67, which is the wrong number. Okay. Now, let us check the given options. The first option is 10, second is 17, third is 50, the fourth one is 67, which is the right option. Well, friends, you may ask me, how did I come to know that these numbers are nearer to the squares? But this comes by practice. And one more thing, you should get the right aid at the right time to solve such kind of problems. Well, friends, we will see some more problems.